Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off auto backup for Google Photos so your pictures from the phone's gallery don't automatically upload to the cloud. This is super useful if you want to save storage space on your Google account or keep your photos private. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Once it opens, tap your profile picture or initial icon at the top right corner of the screen. A small menu will pop up here. Tap on Photos Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, tap on Backup. This is where all your backup preferences are managed. At the very top, you'll see a toggle switch next to Backup. Simply turn it off by tapping the switch. Once you do that, Google Photos will stop automatically backing up new pictures and videos from your phone's gallery. Now, if you only want to stop backups for specific folders, like screenshots or WhatsApp images, you can do that too. While you're still in the backup settings, scroll down and tap on Backup Device Folders. You'll see a list of all the folders on your phone that Google Photos can back up. Just toggle off the ones you don't want to be uploaded. That's it! From now on, Google Photos won't automatically upload new pictures or videos from your gallery. You can still manually back up photos whenever you want by opening a photo and tapping the cloud icon to upload it. Turning off auto backup is a great way to save your Google storage space and have more control over what gets uploaded. And that's how you turn off auto backup for Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.